Wet belts, also known as timing belts in oil, are found in many modern engines. They're designed to last longer, but over time they can degrade, break apart, or clog your oil system, leading to catastrophic engine damage. That's why timely replacement is critical. At MB Motors, we're specialists in wet belt diagnostics and replacements. Whether you drive a Ford EcoBoost or another model with a wet belt system, we know the signs of wear and how to prevent failure before it's too late. We use high-quality parts and follow manufacturer guidelines to the letter. A failing wet belt isn't always noisy, so don't wait for symptoms. If your car is due, trust us to replace it properly. It's a complex job, but it's what we do day in and day out. MB Motors, because when it comes to your engine, precision matters.